Ouchie! Ouchie!
Whoa! It's strawberry candy! Candy, you can do magic! When did you learn that?
I didn't learn anything! Ouchie!
This time is rainbow candy! Candy, can you sneeze some more and make lots of candies? We can eat them together! Wait a minute! How can sneezing make candy? Candy, don't sneeze for now!
One says I should sneeze, the other says I shouldn't. Who should I listen to?
Of course you should listen to me! I'm your big brother! Dino, don't be silly! I think candy might be under a strange spell. What if it's dangerous? Peh! How can making candy be dangerous? Candy, don't listen to him. Make some more sweets. I love eating candy.
But Little Tika says this might be dangerous.
It's fine, trust me. Oh my, I'd better go ask Little Fairy.
This should be enough, right? Oh no! Dino, my head feels so dizzy.
Candy, what's wrong? Could it be because she made too much candy? It's all my fault. I shouldn't have asked Candy to make so many candy. What should I do? Dino, what happened to Candy? Candy fainted. You were right, Little Tiga. I shouldn't have been did that.
Don't worry, Dino. Let me have a look. Fairy magic. Oh, Candy hasn't fainted. She's just falling asleep because of the sweet spell. We just need to give her something sure to eat, like a lemon.
A lemon? No, I know. Candy loves lemonade. I'll go make some right away. Candy, think this is lemonade quick.
Dino, what's happened?
Oh yeah, Candy, you're finally awake. I'm so sorry. It was all my fault. From now on, if something strange like this happens, we'll definitely go find Mommy and Daddy. I won't be naughty just because I want sweets anymore. Dino, you finally understand.
Dino, don't be sad anymore. I'm all better now, aren't I?
Little ones, remember today's lesson. If you come across something you don't understand, always ask a grown-up for help right away.
Yes, I'll remember.
Friends, did you all remember that? See you next time.